Hello my loves, and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a spring makeup look using the Morphe palette. I've heard so much about this palette and I finally managed to get my hands on it. I'll tell you later what one it is. This video is going to be a bit of a challenge for me because I'm going to actually try to look at the lens and not at the viewfinder. So you guys can tell the difference, right? Because I do this in all my videos, and watching it back I'm thinking, Sudanny, you really should be looking at the lens because it looks weird. But you guys bear with me, okay? Because, you know, I'm still learning. Anyway, if you guys like these kind of videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and let me know what you think. And also follow me on my social media as well, mostly Instagram, and that's where I post regularly. Sometimes I post makeup looks on there that I don't do a video for, so if you don't want to miss out, then make sure you're following me on there. It is YourGirlSudanny, which you probably should know because it always pops up on my videos. But yeah, anyway, before I go on, make sure you hit that subscribe button just down there. You know what? I'm gonna wait for you. Alright, thank you for subscribing. So, it's the Morphe palette that I mentioned earlier that I'll be using. My first time using it, so it's basically like a first impression also. So this is what the palette looks like inside. So it's a really nice colourful palette. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes with the NYX eyeshadow base. So this is what it looks like. Slow, got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love, then we burned it to the ground, and we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, whoa, the summertime, the summertime, yeah, the summer, yeah, the summertime, yeah, yeah. We met you in the summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love, then we burned it to the ground, and we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad and on, cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just tryna party, live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love, then we burned it to the ground, and we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, whoa, the summertime, the summertime, yeah, the summer, yeah, the summertime, yeah, yeah. When I met you in the summer. So whilst I let that bake for a second, I'm just going to do my lips real quickly. So I'll be using the MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. So I think I've used this in my last like 4 makeup tutorials, but I am really loving it. So yeah, I'll use that first. And then I'll be using the Revolution lip gloss in the shade Noble. You've probably seen it in one of my previous videos. I think it's the Makeup Revolution video that I did. And I said that I'd never use it again because it made me look really ashy, but I'm gonna try it with this lip liner and see what it looks like. So this is it. It actually looks okay. Like, it doesn't look as bad as it did when I first put it on in that Makeup Revolution video. So before all of this gets too big, I'm just gonna quickly wipe this off. So I'm nearly finished with this look and I'm actually loving it so far, but I'm gonna add some highlighter on my high points. And to finish off the look, I'm just going to use my Barry M setting spray. Guys, I'm honestly in love with this look. It looks so good. It's a lot better than I thought it would be. But yeah, here's some close-ups. So my final verdict on this palette, I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but it's a 35B palette, a colour burst from Morphe. It's a really good palette. I think the pigmentation is quite similar to the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette that I've used in my previous videos. But yeah, they're quite similar in how they apply and how they feel on the skin. But yeah, I really like it, and I'm really happy with this look that I created with it. I hope you guys really like the spring eye makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you'd like to see more of these kind of looks. I'm really enjoying doing makeup, as you can probably tell. I feel like I'm improving as the days, the weeks go on, the months go on. I feel like I'm improving, and I can't wait to see what other looks I'll create in the future. But yeah, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like pogos, you can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Up the ride like Somo.